Hey family, so today I'm recreating Chick-fil-A spicy deluxe sandwich and their special sauce. So let's get into it. So we'll start with the spicy deluxe sandwich, and for that we're gonna use chicken breast, and we're just gonna use one and cut it into 2 equal halves.
Please take your time while cutting your chicken so that it doesn't get messed up like my voice.
So this is what they both look like. They're quite thin, right? It's time to do that. Okay, that's enough. This in the bowl. Next we're gonna do is to season our chicken. Some garlic powder, smoked paprika. You want to add a good amount in here. Cayenne pepper, some Old Bay. You can use any salty seasoning of your choice, like any all-purpose seasoning, right? You can use that. Some MSG, very important. Onion powder. My onion powder is about to finish, so I'm just going to use everything right here.
Next, you're gonna go in with some buttermilk. And if you do not have buttermilk, feel free to use a mixture of water and flour. And if your marinade doesn't look like this, you're doing it wrong.
It's time to marinate it. I'm gonna wrap this with some cling foil. So we're gonna marinate this in the fridge for about 12 hours or more. So yeah, let's do that and come back later. While our chicken is marinating, we're gonna make Chick-fil-A special sauce.
And this sauce is pretty simple. All you need is some mayonnaise, ketchup, yellow mustard, and honey. Feel free to use barbecue sauce in place of the ketchup. Now, you're gonna give everything a good mix until it's fully combined.
Guys, I'm not playing with you all. Like, this actually tastes exactly like Chick-fil-A sauce. Okay, let me not say exactly, because they probably like add 1 or 2 things, but this is the closest to Chick-fil-A sauce, I promise you. Yeah, perfect. So right now we're gonna make our dry mix for our coating. We're gonna go in with some all-purpose flour. Next we're gonna go in with some cornstarch. So we're gonna go in with some baking powder, not too much. We're going to put a good amount of smoked paprika. Next we're gonna go in with some cayenne pepper, with some garlic powder, some onion powder, just Old Bay, some MSG. Gonna give this a good mix. Just like this. So we're about to coat our chicken, so I'm gonna preheat the deep fryer. Our marinade is ready, so it's time to coat our chicken. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna have one hand for our wet batter, and we're gonna have the other hand for our dry mix, so we do not mix everything together. We're gonna put it straight into here, and we're gonna put as much flour as you can. We're going to press it so that we do not need to double coat, right? We're gonna shake it and dredge off the excess flour. Can you see what it looks like? It looks very good. So place it on your wire rack. We let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. The secret to a very crunchy fried chicken is to let your coating sit for about 5 minutes. So we're gonna fry this for about 8 to 10 minutes. And to know if your chicken is ready, you're just gonna insert your thermometer, your meat thermometer in there, and it has to be 165.
Fry your chicken at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and check on it from time to time. While my chicken is frying, I'm going to start toasting my buns. And unfortunately, they got burnt. Anyways, when your chicken is ready, you're going to place them on a wire rack to rest.
Now I'm going to go in with my cheese and 2. And now I'm going to put this in the oven just so the cheese melts a bit. Okay, so I'm gonna put the pickles here, put that here and here, them together, and voila, this is what it looks like. So let's taste it and see if it actually tastes good. I promise y'all, this doesn't taste bad at all. If not for the fact that the chicken tastes slightly burnt. I'll give this a 7, but for the sauce tastes exactly like Chick-fil-A. So try this recipe, do not burn your chicken, and let me know how it came out. So do not forget to like, comment, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and of course my flops. Hopefully I do not make one soon again. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Bye. Mwah.